Get ready to flip out because Samsung is gearing up to unveil its latest marvels in the world of smartphones, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Flip 6. But hold on to your seats because we have got some exclusive insights hot off the press. That's right, folks. The production wheels are turning and Samsung isn't holding back. The production of these devices is in full swing and the company has now started benchmarking them. Recently, our team caught a glimpse of the Galaxy Z Flip 6's first benchmark results and boy, they're juicy. According to the Geekbench website, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is powered by none other than the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. No surprises there, right? But hold your horses because there's more. Paired with 8 GB of RAM in the benchmark unit, but rumor has it, a 12 GB RAM variant might also be on the cards. And let's not forget, it's running on Android 14 with the sleek One UI 6.11. But what about performance, you ask? Brace yourselves because this compact powerhouse isn't pulling any punches. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 managed to score 15,050 points on the GPU test, which is similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now, here's the catch. The Z Flip 6 packs all this power into a compact design, meaning it might not have the extensive cooling system of its larger counterparts. While this keeps the Z Flip 6 sleek and stylish, it could lead to faster throttling under heavy usage. Something to keep in mind for all you power users out there. And that's not all, folks. Rumor has it, the Z Flip 6 is stepping up its game with a larger cover display and possibly even a silky smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. And here's hoping for some good news. While whispers suggest an Exynos chip for some markets, let's keep our fingers crossed for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 to reign supreme worldwide. So there you have it, folks. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is shaping up to be a true game changer in the world of foldable smartphones. Stay tuned for more updates as we count down to the big reveal in July. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for all the latest tech scoops. Until next time, keep flipping and peace out.